Yeah, what you say?
Yeah, them approve it, my G. Let me see what's going on.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure I'm alive. See my life on TikTok.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is it. That is it. That is blood clot it. Okay. Um, Let me save my life on YouTube now, chat. All right, that is it right there. So that is it as well. All right. Let me save my life on Kick now.
But
Uh,
but
that
if
is
you're gonna
it.
do all of them, if
That
you're
is
gonna
it.
do all of them,
That is it.
remember that it's a call a lot of strain on your PC, bro.
That is it as well. All right.
I can
Yeah.
just about
Yeah.
where DJ we can just about do it.
Who that? Who that? What on? Jaden, what on, bro? But that's there. I test out this all-in-one streaming platform. Right now, but upon TikTok live right now. But upon YouTube, Kick, and Twitch. Let me see. Stream Element. May I send it to you? Stream Element.
Yeah, send in the video.
Yeah, boy. I don't know how it's gonna operate Warzone, you know. I really
But
don't
it
know.
can for all of them, like you have to know what you're doing. If you're doing on three of them, it's gonna put a lot of pressure on your PC.
Yeah. But the main two I'm want stream on still at Twitch and TikTok. So you know what I mean. But
Yeah.
yeah. All right, I'm good now. All right, let me just stop this.